With my father and grandfather, who used to do landscape painting. They followed after the group of 7 in oil painting and going out into the woods and planting landscapes. So they would always bring me along, and I'd be out in the woods and I'd paint for maybe 5 minutes, do my little drawing, and then I'd finish and I'd be off in the woods for the rest of the time, usually a few hours. Just wandering around. My parents would be there, and my grandfather, and I'd just explore, looking at the different creeks and playing with sticks in the creek and turning over logs and looking for salamanders and looking at mosses, just wandering through the woods and looking at the plants, just enjoying myself and just completely just being in the moment. So that's where my love of nature came from. Field, we just planted it, and we're sharing this field with some other people at the Eco Village here.
We are in trouble with this planet, but for you, what is the main problem?
I guess the main problem is selfishness and fear. I think mainly the fear of the unknown is driving us to destroy nature. It's like you don't understand it, so you destroy it. There's no connection with nature, there's no deep love of nature, no appreciation, no respect for other creatures. It's just a lack of understanding all over. And there's a greediness, when you're not connected, you become very selfish, and you try to hoard things, keep everything for yourself, more money, more possessions, and it's, we can get by with so much less, living a very simple life and being happy and just enjoying nature, enjoying being part of nature. Looking around and seeing the beauty and magic that's around us all the time, and the very simple things that occur around us. The growing of a plant, the germinating of a seed, a squirrel chattering at you, little things, flowers coming up. Just appreciating the beauty of the world and how interconnected we are.